Welcome back to Forthcoming Tech. Today, we're diving into the latest innovation from HUAWEI that's shaking up the smartphone photography world. If you're passionate about cutting-edge tech and photography, this is a video you don't want to miss. Once a staunch advocate of the HUAWEI P20 Pro, I was deeply impressed by its camera capabilities, which even led me to trade in my Nikon DSLR for a more compact and versatile option. Now, HUAWEI is back with the Pura 70 Pro, heralding a new era in smartphone photography and innovation. Celebrating 12 years of flagship excellence, HUAWEI has rebranded its lineup from the P series to the Pura series. This change signifies more than just a new name. It marks a significant evolution in their approach to smartphone technology and design. The standout feature of the Pura 70 Pro is its unconventional rear camera setup. The triangular island housing 3 cameras is reminiscent of a hidden Mickey layout, adding a touch of whimsy while offering practical benefits. This design not only catches the eye but also provides a comfortable grip, inadvertently preventing those unsightly pinky dents that we all dread. Complementing its innovative design, the Pura 70 Pro boasts a sleek aesthetic. The curved screen flows seamlessly into glossy metal sides, culminating in an elegant matte back. It's a real shame that the stunning purple variant isn't universally available, but regardless, the design is nothing short of impressive. Now, let's talk about the true star of the show, the camera system. The Pura 70 Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixel main shooter, a 12.5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. This powerful trio delivers impressive optical and digital zoom capabilities, making it a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts. Powered by intuitive software and AI functionalities, these cameras excel in various lighting conditions, enhancing image vibrancy and clarity. However, there are occasional instances of excessive AI adjustments, particularly noticeable in shots of celestial bodies or overly blurred backgrounds. Despite these minor setbacks, the overall performance is outstanding. Beyond its impressive camera system, the Pura 70 Pro shines in terms of durability. Featuring second-generation Conlin glass, it offers enhanced resistance to scratches and drops, ensuring your device stays pristine. On the display front, the phone boasts a bright screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an incredible 25,200 nits of brightness, ensuring clear visibility even in direct sunlight. One of the challenges with HUAWEI devices is the absence of Google Apps in the app gallery. However, HUAWEI offers workarounds for APK downloads from third-party sources. While these solutions come with some compatibility issues, they allow users to access essential apps without too much hassle. Despite these software hurdles, the Pura 70 Pro excels in battery performance. With its sizable 5,500 mAh battery, the device easily lasts a day under heavy usage, making it a reliable companion for both work and play. In everyday use, the Pura 70 Pro proves to be a robust and versatile device. From its stunning design to its powerful camera system and impressive battery life, it's clear that HUAWEI has crafted a flagship that stands out in the crowded smartphone market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more in-depth reviews and the latest tech news, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.